All right, thank you for attending our iReady training. We are going to start iReady next week. It's going to be part of home learning. And this just gives you an overview of the iReady tests that we take and how to actually access iReady and get started at home. So it begins with an adaptive diagnostic test, and that means that this test identifies their strengths and weaknesses. So it better lets us know what skills they need to work on. So when we work with them in class, that we know what skills that they're weak in. And the way that it works is it starts off with questions that are kindergarten level. And then as they answer the questions, depending on how they answer, if they're doing really well, the questions will get much harder. And if they miss a lot of questions, the questions will get easier. So it will show you at the end what level they actually are on.
The reading diagnostic assesses skills in phonological awareness. They have phonics, high frequency words, vocabulary, comprehension, literature, and comprehension informational text. And in the math diagnostic, assesses skills in number and operations, measurement and data, algebra and algebraic thinking, and geometry. Once students finish a diagnostic, the results are used.
Sorry, it's doing its own thing
Uh,
without me clicking it. Hold on, there you go.
Okay, once students finish the diagnostic, the results are used to provide customized and differentiated instruction to meet their needs.
So this is what the results look like once you receive them. We do get the test twice a year. We just finished the first test, and this gives you a breakdown of what it will look like. It tells you each category that they tested in and how they did in that category. So if you see here on the side, some of the categories, they were early mid-K, some of them emerging K, and some of them early K. So it tells you where their strengths are and where their weaknesses are. And if you look at the little graph on the side, that green line that you see, that first line in the graph, shows where they should be to be on grade level. And then you see the second line, that's a straight black line. That is where, when they take the second test, typically they should be as far as their growth. Now, the ultimate goal is to get on that dotted line, which is that stretch line. That's our ultimate goal, to get them to that level by the time we're done with all the testing at the end of the year. Once we start doing iReady at home, it is 45 minutes in both reading and math.
Okay, so how do you access iReady? You click on the, you log onto the portal and you click on the S for Schoology. Then you go to the waffle. And on there, you're going to click. Then you have the Clever. You click on there. Select the Clever one. And here, then you click the iReady icon.
Okay, then once you get in there, you're going to see a screen that looks like this, and you'll see reading and math. You just click on the subject they need to do, and it will bring you right there to the lessons. Okay, so once you get in there and do the lessons, how do you know how they did? So once you're in there, it's going to have a little icon at the bottom that says My Progress. You click on that. And this is what it will look like. It will tell you how many minutes and how many lessons that they passed. The week starts on Monday and it ends on Sunday. So when Sunday comes, after Sunday, Monday, it resets to 0 again. So they have to complete the 45 minutes within that window. And then you can click at the bottom to completed work to get even more details.
Okay, so you will see a list of completed lessons for the week, and students should be passing at a minimum 2 lessons per 45-minute sessions. This is very, very important. Do not help your child complete any lessons. This will disrupt their learning path. And what happens is usually if you help them at home, they will be at a higher level. And once they take the test here in class, when we test them the second time around, the questions will be a lot higher than what their actually level is. And then it would show like no growth for them. It actually will look like they're not learning their progress as they should be. Also, we will be every week we will be printing the weekly reports to monitor your child's progress according to that, to see if you're completing the 45 minutes, because this really reinforces the math as well as reading skills for the test. Does anyone have any questions? No?
Okay, yeah, it's pretty simple once you know where it is and everything. But if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us and we'll help you out along the way.
Okay. Thank you very much, parents, for joining.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Appreciate all the help.
Thank you.
Trying to figure out how to stop the recording.